The latest development being redesign of delivery networks using AI, robotics, autonomous vehicles, and new fulfillment infrastructure.
Is the last mile alone can represent more than half of total logistics cost.
Most business thinks logistics end when a product leaves the warehouse. In reality, this is where things get complicated. Over the years, these last few kilometers between warehouse and the customers have become really expensive and complex part of the journey. And like in so many other business functions, artificial intelligence come to the rescue again. The latest development being redesign of delivery networks using AI, robotics, autonomous vehicles, and new fulfillment infrastructure. Welcome to Inside Consulting Podcast Episode 7. Here we explore real business problems and the system quietly solving them. And today we discuss the latest technology in the last mile logistics.
That shift is already happening. For decades, logistics was mostly about warehouses, trucks, and routing software. Now it become a technology ecosystem. E-commerce has created millions of small deliveries instead of fewer bulk shipments. In many cities, the last mile alone can represent more than half of total logistics cost. So companies are investing in technologies that turn logistics into a data-driven system rather than a purely operational one.
Let's start with the first one. We often hear about AI in logistics, but recently the term agentic AI has appeared. What exactly does that mean?
Traditional software follows rule. Agentic AI goes further. It can observe, decide, and act autonomously. In logistics, it creates what researchers call self-healing supply chains. These systems monitor traffic condition, order density, weather, driver availability, warehouse capacity. If something changes, the system automatically adjusts route, driver assignment, and fulfillment location. Companies like Amazon are already deploying AI driven logistic engines in real time. For SMEs, similar capacities are appearing through AI logistic platform and route optimization systems.
The second shift seems almost science fiction. Robot delivering packages, is that realistic yet?
More than people realize, we are entering the era of integrated autonomous robotics, where systems work together across the supply chain. Inside warehouses, companies are deploying autonomous mobile robots and robotic picking system. Outside the warehouses, companies are testing level 4 and level 5 autonomous delivery vehicles, sidewalk robots, and delivery drones. For example, Starship Technologies uses GPS, radar, cameras, and AI mapping system to deliver packages locally. Trucks, robots, and drones increasingly operate as coordinated delivery systems, reducing labor costs and improving system.
That's the infrastructure side. But customer expectations are also changing. People now track their food deliveries in real time. Is the same happening in logistics?
Yes, this is the third shift, hyper personalized delivery experiences. Customers increasingly expect precise delivery windows, real time tracking, and flexible drop off options. New systems use AI based ETA prediction, location intelligence, and behavioral analytics. Some companies are experimenting with follow me delivery. Instead of delivering to the fixed address, the system can dynamically update the delivery location based on the customer's real time location. Next generation infrastructure and micro fulfillment.
Technology is also changing physical infrastructure, right? Warehouses themselves are evolving.
Exactly. Now, companies are building micro fulfillment centers, often called MFCs. These are small automated warehouses close to urban neighborhoods. Companies like Blinkit use dark stores across cities to enable ultra fast deliveries. For SMEs, the same principle can apply to distributed storage hubs or hyperlocal fulfillment partnerships.
Another term appearing in logistic discussion is blockchain traceability. How does that relate to last mile deliveries?
It solves a different problem: trust. Blockchain based logistics systems create a tamper proof digital records of every transaction and shipment movement. These improve traceability, fraud prevention, and compliance verification. For industries like pharmaceutical, electronics, and luxury goods, blockchain can verify product authenticity and delivery history.
Are we seeing these technologies emerging in India as well?
Very much. Companies are expanding real time tracking networks and electric delivery fleets for last mile operations. India is also seeing experimentation with drone delivery networks, especially in healthcare logistics and remote regions. Several startups are developing solutions using computer vision, robotics, and drone delivery systems.
Which brings us to a practical question. Most SMEs don't have large technology teams. How do they even begin thinking about these systems?
That is where external consulting and system design expertise become important. It involves decisions such as choosing the right technology architect, designing route optimization system, building data infrastructure, selecting robotic and automation tool, redesigning fulfillment networks. Consultants often act as system architects for these transformations.
So the real shift here is not just faster delivery. It is that logistics is becoming technology discipline.
Exactly. The companies that treat logistics as a data, software, and infrastructure will eventually outperform those treating it purely as transportation.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to share this with your colleagues and leaders who wish to understand and explore the latest tech in business. Until then, do stay with us on Insight Consulting.